How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can hard reset a Beko washing machine. Now, there's multiple ways to do this. Let's get started. The first one, or the most common reset methods, is going to be the power cycling, which is recommended for most model. You just want to unplug the machine, wait for around 1 to 5 minutes, and then you want to plug it back in and turn it off. Make sure that you unplug it from the wall socket and you should be good to go. This will reset internal capacitors that will drain some electricity, resetting some errors or some of your circuit on your washing machine. Now you can also try to use the button reset. You want to hold the start, pause, and cancel button for around 3 to 5 seconds, and from there it will then reset our washing machine. Now the door method. You want to open and close the machine door for around 6 times within 12 seconds, and from there it will initiate the reset. And lastly, we have the control panel reset. You want to turn the dial to the 90-degree position, then hold the start, pause, and on-off buttons for around 3 seconds, and then it will reset our machine. Now, I'll also give you some additional troubleshooting tips. If you want to deactivate the child lock, you want to press the first and second auxiliary function button simultaneously for around 3 seconds. If you want to clear some errors, if the machine is stuck, try turning it off, and on some models, holding the start button for around 20 seconds can also help. And lastly, for some drain pump issues. If the pump runs continuously, a hard reset, maybe unplugging it for around 2 minutes, usually resolves our issue. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.